Welcome, fellow wanderers. To inform tourists, we're on a journey off the beaten path. Today we embark on an exploration that takes us far from the bustling metropolises and into the heart of America's lesser-known treasures. These are places where the pace of life is slower, the air is fresher, and the sense of community is palpable. This isn't about Times Square or California's beaches. We're leaving behind the iconic landmarks and tourist hotspots. We're talking about America's hidden gems, small towns left behind by history and highways. These are the places that time forgot, but they hold stories waiting to be told. Some faded away, but others are fighting back with grit and creativity. These towns are not just surviving, they are thriving in their own unique ways. Old factories become art galleries, breathing new life into spaces that once symbolized decline. Abandoned main streets turn into community hubs, where local businesses and events bring people together. It's a quiet revolution in places most people never notice. These towns are redefining what it means to be resilient and resourceful. Imagine a map of the US, erase the big cities. What remains is a tapestry of small towns, each with its own unique charm and character. What's left? Thousands of tiny dots, each with a story. These are the places where neighbors know each other by name and community spirit runs deep. These towns are about sticking together, knowing your neighbor, and believing your corner of the world is worth saving. It's about the power of community and the strength found in unity. We'll meet folks breathing new life into their hometowns, using history and quirky traditions to write a new chapter. They are the unsung heroes of America's small towns. This isn't a story of decline, it's one of rebirth. It's about transformation and the enduring spirit of these communities. The most interesting things are often found in the most unexpected places. These hidden gems are waiting to be discovered. Buckle up, we're venturing into the heart of America, one resilient, small town at a time. Each town has a story, and each story is a testament to the enduring spirit of its people. It's going to be a bumpy, beautiful ride. So, join us as we uncover the hidden treasures of America's small towns, where every turn holds a new discovery. Every great story needs a setting, and sometimes, the most compelling stories unfold in the places you'd least expect, quiet corners of the map, where the world seems to move a little slower, and the past lingers in the morning mist. Ours begins in almost USA. It's not a place you'll find on most maps, but it could be anywhere, one of thousands of small towns scattered across the American landscape, each with its own story, its own heartbeat. These are the towns that were almost something big, almost the county seat, almost a railroad hub, almost the place where history was made. They're the towns that came close, but never quite crossed the finish line. Built on hope and ambition, you can feel history in the air. Grand courthouses that once promised prosperity, wide main streets designed for parades and progress, now mostly quiet, echoing with memories of what might have been. The story is familiar. A town grows around one industry. Maybe it was coal, steel, textiles, or farming. For a time, the future seemed bright, and the town thrived on the promise of steady work and shared purpose. Life is good for a while. The town becomes an identity, a family. Neighbors know each other by name, children play in the streets, and every storefront is filled with possibility. Then, the world changes. The factory closes, the mine runs dry, or a new highway bypasses the town entirely. Progress, once a friend, becomes a stranger passing by without stopping. Shops close, the diner struggles to keep its doors open, and young people leave in search of opportunity elsewhere. The laughter fades, replaced by silence and empty chairs. The community spirit fades, replaced by resignation. Those who remain carry the weight of memories, watching as the town they love slowly slips away. It's a classic American tale, prosperity, then slow decline. The cycle repeats itself from coast to coast, leaving behind towns that are shadows of their former selves. The town becomes a shadow of itself, haunted by what it used to be. Faded signs and empty buildings stand as silent witnesses to dreams deferred. But this is just the prologue, because in almost USA, the story isn't over. The next chapter is waiting to be written, and hope, though battered, is not yet gone. The real story begins when a town, pushed to the brink, decides it's not ready to become a ghost town. When neighbors come together, determined to reclaim their future, and prove that almost is still very much alive. Let's zoom in on Braddock, Pennsylvania. Once a titan of steel, Braddock boomed with immigrants and industry. Carnegie's first steel mill was here. The town thrived with shops, theaters, and the first Carnegie Library. Braddock Avenue bustled, families flourished, and the American dream was forged in steel. But the steel industry's collapse in the 1970s and 80s hit hard. Mills closed, jobs vanished, and the population plummeted from over 20,000 to just 2,000. Braddock became a symbol of post-industrial decay, abandoned buildings, empty lots, and a lost sense of purpose. Yet Braddock wasn't finished. Like a battered boxer, it was down, but not out. The town caught its breath, ready for another round. The fight for survival was just beginning. Braddock's story is one of resilience, not surrender. It's a place that refuses to be forgotten. The next chapter would be written by those who stayed. Braddock's golden age lingers in its architecture, the Carnegie Library, grand old banks, and empty department stores. The Edgar Thomson Steelworks still operates, a relic and a reminder. For some, it's a symbol of loss. For others, survival. Those who stayed are fiercely loyal, keepers of the town's stories and pride. Braddock has good bones, a rich history, and determined residents. The challenge, could it find a new identity for the 21st century? Here's where things get tough. The factory closes, the tax base evaporates, and services crumble. Hopelessness settles in. The American dream feels out of reach. Outsiders arrive to document the decline, reinforcing the feeling of being left behind. The conflict isn't just economic, it's existential. Is the town just fading memories or a living community? Residents must fight apathy and the narrative of inevitable decline. It's a battle for identity and survival. Some towns fade away, but others, as we'll see, find a way to fight back. The crucible of crisis forges new resolve. The story isn't over yet. For a dramatic example, visit Centralia, Pennsylvania. Once a thriving coal town, an underground fire in 1962 changed everything. The fire never went out, turning the ground toxic and unstable. Residents were forced to leave, homes demolished, the zip code revoked. Today, Centralia is a ghost town. Streets remain, but nature reclaims the land. The infamous graffiti highway is all that's left. Centralia is a stark reminder of what happens when a town's very foundation gives way. It's a chilling counterpoint to stories of revival. Not every town can be saved, but some find a way to rise from the ashes. Now, the story turns. Comebacks aren't about returning to the past, they're about reinvention. It starts with a few stubborn optimists who see potential in decay. An artist opens a gallery, a chef starts a restaurant, a former resident returns with new ideas. In Braddock, former mayor John Fetterman championed urban farming, the arts, and green initiatives. He used the town's gritty aesthetic as a selling point, attracting new residents. The comeback is never perfect. Poverty and blight linger. But there's momentum, possibility, and a sense of purpose. Empty storefronts fill with coffee shops, art studios, and microbreweries. The town becomes a project, a cause, a place to make a difference. Transformation is possible, even in the unlikeliest places. Across America, small towns are writing new stories. The resolution is real and ongoing. Now, let's visit Lucas, Kansas. Population, about 400. Never an industrial powerhouse, Lucas faced slow decline as farms consolidated and youth left. But Lucas had a secret weapon: weirdness. S.P. Dinsmore's Garden of Eden, a bizarre concrete sculpture garden, became the town's quirky claim to fame. In the 1990s, residents embraced folk art, branding Lucas the grassroots art capital of Kansas. The Grassroots Arts Center opened, showcasing eccentric local artists. Even the public restroom Bowl Plaza is a mosaic-covered work of art. Lucas's revival is built on creativity and humor. By celebrating its uniqueness, Lucas became a destination. Thousands now visit for the art, the Garden of Eden, and the giant toilet. Lucas saved itself with imagination, not industry. It's a funny, inspiring second act. Sometimes, the weirdest asset is the greatest strength. So, what can you do to support these resilient towns? The answer is simpler, and more rewarding than you might think. Every small action you take can have a ripple effect, helping to breathe new life into places that are often overlooked. First, go there. Take the back roads. Explore the blue highways. These routes lead you off the beaten path, away from the crowds and into the heart of real America, where every mile brings a new story and a new opportunity to make a difference. Stop in a town that catches your eye. Don't just pass through. Pause, wander, and let curiosity guide you. Sometimes the most memorable adventures begin with an unplanned stop in a place you've never heard of. Spend your money locally, eat at the diner, buy coffee at the independent cafe, shop on Main Street. These businesses are the backbone of the community, and your support helps keep their doors open. Try the daily special, pick up a handmade souvenir, or browse the shelves of a family-run bookstore. Every dollar is a vote of confidence and a lifeline for the community. When you choose to spend locally, you're not just buying a meal or a gift, you're investing in someone's dream and helping to sustain the unique character of the town. But it's not just about money. Connect with people. A simple hello or a friendly conversation can go a long way. Ask for recommendations, share a laugh, or just listen. These moments of connection are what make travel meaningful. Talk to locals, ask about the town's history, listen to their stories. You'll discover hidden gems, local legends, and maybe even a new perspective on life. People are proud of their roots, and they love to share what makes their town special. Your curiosity and respect matter. When you show genuine interest, you help foster pride and hope. It's a reminder that their stories are worth telling and their community is worth celebrating. Share your experience. Post photos, write reviews, tell friends. Your words and images can inspire others to visit, and your positive feedback can boost a business's reputation. Even a single social media post can make a difference. Word of mouth can put a town on the map. When you recommend a hidden gem to your friends or family, you help create a ripple effect that brings new visitors and new opportunities. By sharing their story, you become part of it. Attend a local festival, join a community event, or simply take part in the daily rhythm of small-town life. These shared experiences create lasting memories for both you and the people you meet. You help rewrite the narrative from decline to pride. Your presence and participation can spark hope, encourage investment, and inspire others to believe in the future of their hometown. The road is calling, and America's hidden gems are waiting. There's a world of stories, flavors, and friendships just off the interstate, ready to be discovered by those willing to slow down and look closer. Be a tourist, but be an informed one. Learn about the town's past, respect its traditions, and approach every encounter with an open mind and heart. You can be a small part of the great American comeback story. Every visit, every conversation, and every dollar spent helps these towns thrive. So go ahead, be a hometown hero, and help write the next chapter for America's small towns. Thank you for watching Informed Tourist. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I want more and more followers that enjoy learning about places to travel to. Now check out this next video.